In front of me is an STK LIFE 9, and today I'll show you how you can boot the device into recovery mode. And to get started, you'll want to hold your power key, select power off, and once the device turns off, you want to hold power key and volume up at the same time. Okay, so let's do it right now. Now once you see the boot mode, let go of the keys and then using only volume up, you want to select first option. As you can see, sometimes it can scroll down because we were holding both of those keys, so when you let go, sometimes it accepts it as an input. So you want to select the first option, and then once you have selected it using volume up, press volume down to confirm it. And here we go. As you can see, that is how you will boot into the recovery mode. Now in here you can use again volume keys to navigate. Now this time around you can use actually both of them to go up and down, and power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. And from here we can reboot the device and go back to Android, reboot to Bootloader, which will take us back one step. We can apply updates, wipe data or cache partition, mount system, view lags, and run tests. Like I mentioned, whatever you have selected, you then confirm with power key. And because I want to leave this mode, I'm sticking with reboot system now. Confirm, and this will take me back to Android. And there we are. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.